Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel The Green Homestead. As you can see, this is the first video in the channel. My plan for this channel is basically to upload videos with regarding to gardening in the backside of my home, travel videos, activities at the cattle ranch that I own. So today we are going to the cattle ranch at this time and thought of starting the video by showing some moments I enjoy at the cattle farm as well as introduction to my cattle farm. As you can see, the road to the farm is so beautiful and I don't want you guys to miss this beautiful scenery. Some of the roads have a lot of heavy bushes and trees, but as we travel along, we see a lot of roads with just farms, which you're going to see in the next few slides. It's almost a half an hour drive from my home, but still, when you think about seeing the cattle and the time you spend with the cattle, that half an hour will go really fast. Apart from the trees and the bushes that we see in the side of the roads, the one thing I enjoy the most is the different clouds that I see on a day-to-day basis whenever I travel to the farm. To be honest, every day is different. I actually look at them for some time and enjoy them for some time. And as you can see, they look beautiful. And I'm one of those guys who look at these clouds and just enjoy the beauty of them. You can see that the greenery of trees are getting converted to farmland as we are nearing to the farmland. You might be also seeing a lot of hay in the nearby farms, which we will talk about in the future videos. Now we have reached at my farm, and before we go into the farm, obviously we have to talk about the beautiful clouds that we saw. As we look from the main entrance, we see the barn, and you might be seeing the trailer nearby. We'll go over about the trailer soon, but just like most of the farms in southern United States, the farm is just a vast land with a lot of bushes and grass. We are taking this video in the fall and hence you might not be seeing a lot of greenery, but sooner I will show you a clip of the view of the farm in the spring season, which is obviously beautiful and gorgeous. This is the view I was talking about, and this shot was taken in the spring season. On top of the regular grass, we see a lot of flowers, right? Guess what? They are not good grass and the cows are not going to eat them. As you can see, this is the barn that we have in the farm. Obviously, it is a horse barn, but we have been using it for the cattle for the time being. This is the livestock trailer that we use in the farm. It's a very old Trail Magic 1987 16 feet model, but that's more than enough for using for the cattle since we don't have many cattle. This is the pond that we dug a while back before we put in the cattle in the farm. The interesting thing is that the land where we have the farm doesn't have underground water. So basically whatever water you see in the pond is from rainfall. And obviously during the summer season, there is obviously a risk for the pond going dry. So we need to closely monitor it so that the cattle have adequate water supply during summer season. This is the hay that we give the cattle. It's usually kept inside a hay ring to prevent the cattle from thrashing the hay. Sometimes the cattle get too excited and they just walk over it and dump on them, and basically they'll just stop eating it. Let's now go to the final chapter of the video, which is our lovely cattle. We started with 5 cattle and then we bought a bull. The cattle that we bought initially were pregnant, so there were some calves that was born even before we bought the bull. And now we have a total head count of 11, which includes the bull that we bought and the 5 cattle, including the calves. These are Angus breed, which is specifically taken for meat. We have 2 bull calf and 4 heifers. This is our Angus bull. We have not named him, but he have a tag with the number 3145, so we just call him that. All the cattle and the calf has either a number or a name that we will discuss in the near future videos. So it's almost time for me to go back home. We tried to leave the farm a little earlier than the sunset for 2 reasons. The first reason is that obviously the farm is in a rural area, and the second reason is the beautiful sunset. Every day the sunset is different and the beauty is different, so we try to enjoy it as much as we can. You could see the sunset in this video, which is beautiful as well as gorgeous, and that is the reason why I thought of adding this view to the video too, even though this was more specifically for the cattle farm. I hope you liked the video. If you like, I would appreciate if you could subscribe and share and watch the future videos. I'm planning to bring in a lot more videos soon, and hopefully you guys will like it. Bye.